Hi, I'm Shannon, and I'm here with our lead service technician, Derek, who's been with Yale Appliance for 9 years. Today, he's going to show you some quick fixes to help your appliances function better. In our 37,000 plus appliance service calls we've responded to each year, we found that one of the most common issues for refrigerators, especially if they're a little bit older, is the refrigerator failing to cool. In this video, Derek's going to show you how to troubleshoot the issue, diagnose it, and repair it yourself if possible. Hopefully this will save you some time and money, and the hassle of finding and hiring an appliance service tech.
Hi, my name is Derek from Yale Appliance, service technician. I'm here to give you tips on how to help your fridge if it's not cooling. Quick step is your main board can actually stop calibrating correctly. Tips we give is unplugging your machine actually can help so the sensors can come out of calibration. So it's just like a computer. Sometimes you need to reset them, reboot them, and it will actually come back on and the unit will start working and cooling properly. So 2 recommendations. The first one is the easiest one, which would be a circuit breaker reset. So if you can locate your circuit breaker in the basement, that's the easiest. You're not gonna cause any damage, pulling the unit out, looking for the plug at all. The second would be unplugging the unit, which on this model, you really don't want to because it's very big, broad unit, so you don't want to get too in depth with that. So, but with a freestanding unit, you can slide out a little bit and unplug, and that would help reset the main board and hopefully recalibrate. Another tip for refrigerator not cooling would be cleaning your condenser coils. So condenser coils are located usually up top or down below on certain models. Condenser coils will take in dust over time, pet hair, anything that would block the airflow cooling the compressor. So cleaning those coils regularly, probably once a year with a vacuum or a brush, is highly recommended to keep your refrigerator operating efficiently. So another tip on helping your fridge cool efficiently is airflow inside the cavity. So if you have food that some might be getting frozen over here or some might be warm over here, that could also be because you have too much food in one spot and it's blocking the airflow from moving around the fridge. So cleaning out your fridge regularly is a good thing. Not packing food against the wall so airflow can flow behind the wall and throughout the whole unit is recommended and will help your product stay fresh and cool for a long time. Another tip, certain fans not working. So you have several fans in your refrigerator depending on the model. So on this model, there's probably about 3 to 4 fans. So shutting a door, refrigerator door, you'll hear audible fans within the cavity. In your freezer, same thing. When you shut, you should hear audible noises of a fan activating. Up top or down below on certain models where the compressor is located, they have their own fans to keep the compressor cool. So if you don't hear those fans working or feel some movement of air going to those areas, then that could be an indication that you have a failure of fan, which will hurt the operation of the unit. So if all those tips don't work or help you, help diagnose the situation and save you money and time, I would highly recommend giving Yale a call and one of our service technicians will come out and help you as soon as possible.
Thanks so much, Derek. I hope we were able to help you save some money and stress with these quick fixes. If you have any easy repair requests you'd like to see us do, please leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified first when we release new videos, including more quick fixes like this in the future. At Yale, we service everything we sell. So if you're a Yale customer and need more help, please visit yaleappliance.com/service or give us a call at 617-825-9253.